I would like to share this song by Jose Marichan because this song is having one beautiful message for everyone. We're all just merely passing through, doing what we can do in our lifetime. We have more than one adventure to take, more than one dream to make in a lifetime. As for me, there's only one dream, and that's how to love you, my love, with a love to last a lifetime. We're fools, we do some crazy things, and our hearts would take wings like a sparrow. But that's life, we'll take each day as it comes, never leaving the crumbs for tomorrow. As for me, all of my days, I will spend them all with you, loving you with love to last a lifetime. If we all could leave something lasting behind to be remembered by, just a song from me, and then at least I would have tried. I agree, it's not so much what we have as how we use what we have in our lifetime. 30 years is worth 102. It's really what we can do in our lifetime. All my love I would give for as long as I have lived, with a love to last a lifetime.